What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So this is my unboxing and review of the Infinix Hot 10 Play, the third device in the Hot 10 series. And series I mean, we have the Hot 10 device, we also have the Hot 10 Lite, and this is the Hot 10 Play. So before you go ahead to buy this device, please stick to the end of this video. So when you open the box, yes, you have the smartphone with the specs. And this is exactly the same retail box you get when you buy your new Infinix Hot 10 Play. And looking at the device, I'm loving it already. The color is one of my favorite. So next you have a TPU case. This is not silicone, but I really prefer this. Next you have a screen protector film, the power charger adapter, a micro USB cable for charging and connectivity, a pair of an earphone, the X Club leaflet, and the SIM ejection tool. It feels like smartphone companies are no longer including manuals for their devices. Maybe we no longer need manuals anyway. So this is the Infinix Hot 10 Play, the successor to the Infinix Hot 9 Play of 2020. This is beautiful and very shiny device. I like the build quality and it has noticeable upgrade over its predecessor. It is made of plastic and tends to reflect when light hits the back panel, and this is the agent blue color option. On the right side of this device, you have the power button and the volume rocker. At the back is a dual camera combination and a quad LED flashlight, and then the fingerprint scanner. And below is the Infinix branding. Then at the bottom is the earphone jack, the micro USB port, and the microphone. On the right side, you have a tray that takes 2 nano SIMs and a micro SD card. Nothing at the top, and you have a smooth curved edges that makes the device very responsive. The Infinix Hot 10 Play poses almost a 7 inches display, and Infinix calls it a video playing display. It is a 6.82 inch display having an aspect ratio of 20.5:9, and that makes a perfect screen size for YouTube experience or watching your normal videos. The display is massive and colorful, and if not for the water drop notch, nothing else obstructs your viewing experience. Thanks to the improved performance with the Helio G25 processor, you can also enjoy some smooth gameplay on the large screen. And gaming on this device is powered by the Helio G25 octa-core processor, which is a more improved processor compared to the Helio A25 processor on the Hot 9 Play. It has better GPU and CPU performance. The Infinix Hot 10 Play comes with a 2 GB of RAM and a 32 GB of internal storage. But also I think there is a 4 GB 64 GB storage variant. So this is the 2 GB of RAM variant. And you can also expand the storage up to 128 GB with a micro SD card. The fingerprint unlock has also been improved and it is faster than the Hot 9 Play. Yes, very responsive and fast enough for an entry-level device. Just like its predecessor, it comes with a 6000 mAh super battery. And that's a plus for a smartphone that costs 55,000 in Naira or $145. And that's enough to take you more than a day on a single charge. And this is one of this phone's selling points, the huge 6000 mAh battery. The back panel brings a nice design with the rectangular camera model. The main lens is a 13 megapixel primary lens and an extra 2 megapixel VGA lens. And when it comes to the picture quality, it is not so bad. There are quite some details in its images. The color reproduction in its images are okay with good amount of depth. There is no wide angle lens, so don't expect too much. The picture quality is decent and clear enough for social media posting and also those memorable shots. Overall performance for me, it is really acceptable for an entry-level device. In video, it is a 1080p shooter, and I love the autofocus of the Hot 10 Play. And yes, the quality is commendable. The front camera lens is an 8 megapixel lens, same camera lens on the Oppo A15, and the picture quality is okay. So guys, this is what the picture quality of the Infinix Hot 10 Play looks like. It is an 8 megapixel, and when you shoot the video, this is exactly what you get. What do you think of the picture quality and the sound? Honestly, this phone's camera is not really the major selling point of this device. For me, it is the display over the Hot 9 Play and the battery capacity. These are features that will drive me towards getting this device. And it comes with Android version 10 Go edition to make things easier and fast. Overall performance, it is a reliable device and a good upgrade over the Hot 9 Play, and also affordable at 55,000 naira. So please, when you buy this device, don't forget to also get a screen guard for the phone. It is very important at least. This is the Infinix Hot 10 Play. What do you think? Please share your thoughts with me in the comments below. And before you leave, please kindly reach out to the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Peace.